Hey guys, Ink here. I'm just gonna make this really fast because I'm in a huge hurry. I'm actually might be late. I don't know. My friends are coming over soon and we're going to go to a Gutter Gloss concert. If you guys remember me on my earlier vlogs, I talked about Gutter Gloss a little bit. They're my ex's older brother's band, and I still support them. They have really good music, so I'm going to go see them live. It's their first gig, so I'm going to pressure them and videotape it. So hopefully that'll be awesome for you guys to watch, and I hope you guys enjoy all this footage. And so yeah, let's go because I am late as crap, so yeah. Hey guys, Ink here. We finally made it to the Jewish Mother, I think it is. And we're waiting, I guess, for people to show up because it's a pretty small show, so there's not that many people are here right now. Then the show will start. I got myself a Gutter Glass shirt. And I got it signed by Chester. You be jealous.
Nothing left for me to fear. We can offer all that we can in the form of a binary. Oceanic, nobody.
Okay, so the opening act just finished. We're waiting for Gutter Gloss to get ready, and Mackenzie's having fries.
You taste good.
Because she's a pig.
What's dinner?
Apparently she didn't eat dinner. But yeah, so Chester and his friend Josh will be starting soon, and I can't wait.
I want a heart.
And Mackenzie wants a heart attack. Here comes Brandon!
You want to help me finish this?
Whoa, scooting over. Brand's a fatty too. Are they starting soon?
Very soon.
'Cause I'm gonna dish you guys like as soon as they start. So wait, what'd you guys think of it?
This is awesome. I'm glad it came out.
It was really good.
I liked it.
I really can't hear right now. It's so loud when you're right next to the speaker.
Hello there, children of the night. I can't really actually scream right now, but I would if I could. Hey guys, I'm back from the concert and I am so tired. Oh my gosh, we were out so late and I got a headache, but you know what? It was so worth it. I'm probably talking really funny right now because I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh. And like, holy crap, I'm getting even more and more lazy with this vlogging thing because I didn't even set up the tripod on it again. It would have been easier because I want to show you guys what I got. Here, see, look. I got myself a gloss shirt and it's signed by Josh and Chester's signatures right there. I just realized I'm running out of power. Oh well. And on the back it has their little slogan here. Honest hands have never touched my skin. Makes sense because they haven't. You all are liars. Okay, I'm done. I'm so tired. I get very loopy when I'm tired, so I'm gonna make this quick. Had an amazing night. That was probably my second concert I've ever been to, which is sad because I'm 18 years old, but you know, whatever. Had an amazing time. If you guys want yourself some Gutter Glass merch or something, or you want to get their CDs, I'll put some links in the dibbly-doo down underneath and you guys go check them out because they were so good. I am so proud of them, and go check out their music because they are so good. It's amazing how good they are. I'm probably just like, you don't even have a choice. Check them out. Got some links down there. Check them out, you know, and yeah, so I'm gonna go pass out. Don't know about you guys. So had an amazing time. Check you guys next time. Peace out.